Hi everyone, this is review for EFSA color. I'm satisfied, it's good. Hello to all Kadigma, welcome back for my channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna make a review or reaction for this. This is pretty cool product and I wanted to share with you. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo guys. It's not very expensive. The first one is a color, and the name of the color is EFSA. Guys, this is review. See, this is Beauty and the Beast, Teresa. So this review guys, before my color is like, highlights here in different color. I wonder why I planned that I want color black. This one is not color black, just like dark brown. So this is the result for the dark brown guys. As you can see, my hair is there's a white hair already. Already I'm secret. So ayun guys, gusto kong mag-review nito. EFSA guys, itong effective talaga siya guys. Mura lang siya. It's very cheap, like 70 pesos or 90 na ata. Yeah, 70 pesos or this one. Kasi tatanong nila kung may puti yung buhok mo or wala. So alam nila. So guys, grabe, ang dami ko nang binibili na color, and then umaabot lang siya ng 2 weeks. Ito siya, umaabot siya. Takes for 1 month, running 1 month yung puputi na yung buhok. So takes 1 month, and then or running 1 month, then start the white hair. So this one's proven and test for me. This is really good and I highly recommend to you guys. I don't know if there's in other country or in the US. Here in Philippines have. It's very cheap, and then very satisfied for this product. So I wonder why the salon, just remember before the salon, the owner of the salon, they always buy this one. I said EFSA, and I just thinking, where did they buy? So bumili lang pala sila doon sa kasi dito sa Bataan, bumili lang sila sa kabilang store. So may malaking store doon, nagbibenta ng mga color, mga color, mga pangpaganda ng buhok, ganon. So ayan, this is a review, and it's easy lang siya guys na mag-next. This one, at saka matipid kasi meron pa siyang half. So pwede ko pa magamit next month. So napakasulit. Ang 70 pesos. Sulit siya, mura. Ay sana bumili ako sa Watson, like 220 dalawa, pero ang sakit ng pag makulay ko guys yung scalp ko, ang sakit, parang bang matatanggal yung scalp ko. Sobrang sakit, as in delikado pala yun. So ayun guys, try nito, hindi siya masakit. At ibabad nyo ng 30 minutes to 40. Sa akin lang 20 minutes. Siguro 10 minutes, 15, ang bilis siyang magkulay. Super duper. So ayan po yung result. Napaka-plain siya, at saka mabilis, at saka makapit. Kagaya sa mga kapit So guys, the next review that I show you na ito siya, Argan Glow Moroccan Argan Oil. So, ayan guys. You can buy in Watson, any branches. You can buy in online, guys, in TikTok. So I buy this one in Watson SM. So you can search lang yung price nito kasi mga prices siya. I use this one for running 2 months na. So ang ganda, guys. Para sa mga frizzy hair, this siya safe and highly recommend. This is Argan Glow. Sikat to siya sa TikTok kasi yung nag-promote si Sammy J. So ayan, guys, try natin. Hindi ko na talaga kasi tapos na yung kulay na. Nakita niyo naman sa lang. Ayan, dalawang hindi yung yung sa scalp. Para talaga yung gamot niya. Kakapit. Kagaya sa mga asawa niyong lasinggero, kapit ng kapit. Charis. Kagaya sa mga ex na gusto pag kumapit. Charis. So review to, guys, review.